Have you ever wondered why you see similar ads on different social media platforms? Hi, my name is Janil Parekh. I am a student at Brandveda and currently pursuing my digital marketing and data analysis specialist course. Here, they not only gives you the detailed insight about digital marketing, but also gives you the practical knowledge about how it works. I have been learning a lot since I joined here. I had very little knowledge about digital marketing and always thought what goes in the back end of this digital world. So just a talk with my friends in an evening has landed me here in Brandveda. I was given an opportunity to work on a live project. This year is a deal breaker. Live projects will put you into reality. You will get the practical understanding of metrics, data, and how to interpret it. Also, practicing consistently is crucial in this field. Practicing will make you an expert of the subject. One of the major reasons for joining this institution was energy, enthusiasm, and the teaching style of Saurabh sir. He will make sure you will achieve success in digital marketing. So I would like to thank Saurabh sir and Brandveda for boosting my career.